James, we're extremely excited at eXfuze to have a all-natural approach in our design of our products. Will you comment about what we've done compared to the synthetic compounds on the market, particularly synthetics and a general multivitamin?
Yes, well, you know, I mean, most vitamins out there are synthetic. They're synthetics so that they can get a massive amount of the vitamin in a pill or a dosage form. Natural things or food source type things are picked up by the body. The body likes that. The body will accept that. These natural molecules will cascade. In other words, they'll change. They will break into different components, let's say, and they'll go to different parts of the body. So that it's more, again, I'll say a broad array, a broad spectrum, a full spectrum approach to things rather than one single molecule, one synthetic molecule. And who knows, maybe there's an indication for synthetic molecules. A doctor should prescribe those. You shouldn't be going in and buying all this stuff. I mean, you can't metabolize it properly.
From a health and wellness standpoint, the natural multi-botanical approach makes much better sense than the synthetic.
Sure it does. And I know the body will accept it better because it's a food. And, sometimes these synthetic things will upset the system. In other words, you acidify the stomach or whatever. You're not getting they don't dissolve right or whatever. So I think that it's...
Could we make the statement that these natural compounds, when they get in the body, signals the body, and the body recognizes them and can do what it wants with them, as opposed to when you have a synthetic compound that forces one biochemical
you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly true. And really interesting because the body genetically we're changing by the nanosecond. And what will happen is, especially good things and bad things, what will happen is all of a sudden the body will change and receptor sites won't work anymore. So I think that it's really important to have naturally occurring food source type materials. If that don't work, then you've got to go to the doctor and get megadose stuff, which can cause all kinds of problems.
So I think at eXfuze we're extremely excited about having an all-natural approach. It represents the best of health and wellness for the 21st century.